Hello Internet, this is Michael from Trike Bike, and today I'm over at the factory that produces our Trike Bike Chill. Now the Trike Bike Chill has recently been introduced to Australia, and it has gone on to become one of our instant success stories, with really hundreds have been sold, and we're over here now getting our next production run sorted out. What I want to do though is introduce a model that is very similar to the Chill, but has a lower specification and therefore a lower price point, something that's more affordable, and it's just a little bit smaller. The Chill is a perfect tricycle for larger people that want some more comfort, but if you're a short person, 5 foot tall, the Chill may be too big for you. So what we're introducing now is this model, which we're calling, its code name is called Vita, V-I-T-A. When we introduce it to Australia, we'll probably have a different name for it. But come on in and let me show you around, and I'll give you some information about this tricycle. So at the start, we've got the same original seating position as what we've got on the Chill. We've got the mesh back, which is great for Australian conditions because you don't get too hot. We still have the slide adjustable seating. So if that one's loose and that one's loose, we can actually slide everything backwards and forwards. This is a prototype and it's a bit stiff at the moment. So a production one won't have that stickiness, but I'll just lock it in place. That gives us the ultimate flexibility for the seating position. So the first way of doing this tricycle is to sit on it, be comfortable, adjust the backrest for your angle, and then position your feet on the pedals. So when the pedal is at the furthest distance, you want your leg to be almost straight. So I've positioned the seat on this nice and comfortable. Now I have the ability to adjust the handlebars. So I release the clip, I can go up and down on the handlebars to get it in the position that I'm comfortable with. And I can also adjust the handlebar reach. So by just flicking a little switch lever on the side, I can adjust it. So you can get it so it's nice and comfortable and perfect for you. So at the moment it's a little bit far for me, so I'm just going to release it, bring it back a little bit. That's good, I'm happy with that. Now let's just go through the main features of this tricycle. So we've got 18-inch front wheel with hydraulic disc brakes. We've got 20-inch rear wheels with, again, hydraulic disc brakes. Underneath, we've got a 350-watt electric motor with 3-speed gears. And that makes it ideal for keeping the cost down, but also the absolute best performance when you're out riding. The 3-speed gears doesn't overcomplicate things. It gives you really easy pedaling and power assistance. Let's go round to the back. We have the same layout on the back as we have on the Chill, so we've got our little basket with the handles we can lift up. Let's quickly disconnect. I might have tied this one on, but it's quick disconnect underneath. We've also got our basket insulated bag in there if you want to keep things dry or you want to go to the shops and put your shopping in there. It's great. We've got the integrated brake light with the blinkers as well, so I'm just going to go on the left-hand blinker, the right-hand blinker, and these are all operated from the controls. This particular unit is set up as pedal assist. It doesn't have a throttle, but Australian models will all have a throttle. To change gears is as simple as turning the handlebar from 1, 2 to 3 and then back again. The good thing with this system, because it's an internal gear system, you can make the adjustments while you're stationary or while you're riding. We have a really nice colour display. It's quite large, it's daylight readable, it'll give you your speed very accurately and other information like your trip distance, your total kilometres you've ridden. Makes it really easy to visualise as you're riding. On this side, on this model, we have a bell built into the handlebars, hydraulic disc brakes as I mentioned previously. We've got our motor controls, our indicator controls, and that's really it. This is a really nice tricycle. It's built up to the chill standards, but just with lower specifications. So it's a slightly different frame, it's lighter, it's got a hub motor rather than a mid-drive motor, which is more than acceptable for most people's requirements. This is our new model coming to Australia shortly. I hope you have enjoyed it. Okay, we're indoors doing some riding because I've got a lot of room in the factory today. I'll just put it into first gear and pedal off. Now this doesn't have a throttle, but I can feel the assistance kicking in. We're in the lowest level, which is setting number 1, but that's still enough for me to just rotate the pedals gently, and we're getting up to 6 kilometres of assistance. By putting the plus button, I can go up to level 2, to level 3, to level 4, and then finally to level 5. So that's giving us the most amount of assistance, and when I pedal, I'll get a lot of acceleration. So off I'm going. I'll change gears down to gear 3, and I'll turn around before I run out of space. I got up to about 15 kilometres an hour very quickly. Same again, 10, 15, 20. So this is a really comfortable ride. It's really stable. You can see the bike's just tracking along in a straight line, and it's just so easy to ride. It'll be a great addition to the Australian market.